The question that has been asked is, when nitrogen bases, rather it can be purine or it can be pyrimidine, when binds to the sugar, that is monosaccharide, and it can be ribose also, and it can be deoxyribose, that is ribose sugar, and it will then react, or rather binds with this, then what it will be. So it is, let us see this particular ribose sugar, just an example, nothing a specific compound. This is one of those ribose sugar, that is pentose sugar rather, and we will see the OH. It is actually ribose and deoxyribose. There is a difference at the second position also, and this is CH2 group, and when it will bind with the phosphate, and it will bind to the phosphate group, and it will be like this. In the complete reaction, we will write it as this. The whole phosphate groups will attach to this, and here it will bind to any of the nitrogenous base. So nitrogenous base can be of different types, and it can be A, that is adenine, that is A, guanine, that is G, cytosine, and it can be C, and also it can be uracil, and it can be thiamine, so it can be T. So any of the nitrogenous base can bind here. It can be purine and it can be pyrimidine. Pyrimidine can be C/T/U, and the purine can be A/G. So right now I have written A, it means it's a purine, and it is a monosaccharide sugar, It can be ribose, it can be deoxyribose, and this is phosphate. So when it will bind, finally it will lead to the formation of nucleotides, and that's why DNA, RNA are formed. When a chain will be formed, then it will be called the deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA means the ribose nucleic acid, which means in this deoxyribose sugar is used, and in this oxyribose sugar is used. So oxyribose and deoxyribose means the second position here, next to the nitrogenous base. Here if oxygen is present, it will be oxyribose, and thus RNA is more reactive due to this presence of OH group at the second position. So this is your answer, and it is nucleotide formation occurs here. So nucleotide is the correct option.